If you're encountering a document access denied error on Kaiser Permanente's website, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your login credentials. Ensure that you are using the correct username and password. If you have forgotten your password, use the password recovery option to reset it. Step 2. Clear browser cache. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SR to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Disable browser extensions. Temporarily disable any browser extensions or add-ons that might interfere with website access. Some security or privacy extensions can block certain content. Step 4. Try a different browser. If the issue persists, try accessing the site using a different web browser. Sometimes compatibility issues can cause access problems. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, contact Kaiser Permanente's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and help resolve any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the document access denied error and regain access to your documents.